So, so hi everyone. It's now time to present our final project, and so we are mainly focused on the food eating disorder and the AN anoxia nervosa, which considered as a serious one, and CBT is short for the cognitive behavior therapy, and which could effectively address the eating disorder. And our goal, motivation is to solve the significant delays in receiving treatment for anoxia nervosa. For it has a median delay for 11 years, and our goal is to provide immediately confidential and user-friendly support while individuals await professional treatment. So the main data we're using, is for like detailed background stories and used to generate, used to simulate the patients, and those stories are created by our teams. And the main guidelines for the CBT agents are from the American Psychological Associations. So for the next part.
This is a diagram of our final structure. At beginning, we don't have the profile management agent and we don't have the profile management agent, and those agents are all built from Cbtan 4.0 with prompt engineering, and to resolve token limit and also like cost efficiency, we break the whole procedure into sessions, also like stimulate the real-life mental counseling. And in each session, the user will interact with a CBT agent, and the conversation will also be evaluated by a risk assessment agent, like to check if there's any potential risk. After the whole session, the session transcript will be passed to the profile management agent and make a profile like this. It includes a summary of the info and plans. And also, since CBT is a long procedure, we have two sets of system instruction for the, it's not risk assessment agent, my bad. It's for CBT agent. In the first three sessions, the CBT agent will to gain understanding of the patient's eating problem, and in later sessions, in a weekly session, they will like resolve body image, dietary restraints, recent events, moods, and eating. And this is how it's like our software. We start from like register your name and info, and then like later you just need to log in, use your UUID.
So we have defined a transcript evaluation rubric in advance based on 5 criteria like empathy and CBT adherence, etc. Each rated from 1 to 5 with a total score of 25. So for example, a final score of 21 to 25 is excellent, in which case we can determine our chatbot is quite successful. So here is an example conversation. This is from the first session of one of the simulated patients named Copper. The user expresses frustration and confusion about needing the treatment. Then the CBT agent responds with empathy and gently encourages her to by asking about her daily experience. So this is just one back and forth interaction. So in the complete transcript, we have 15 turns dialogue like this, and for each patient, we generated 5 sessions, so in total, there are 20 transcripts. Then each team member evaluates all the transcripts of all the patients based on the rubric we defined earlier. So the scores ranged from 21 to 23.5, which falls in the range of excellent, so we can conclude that the chatbot performance is quite good and meets our expectations.
So now for the discussion part, and first thing is that the procedure is adhered to the CBT framework, and you can see that it has many phases, and each phase is explicitly addressed from identifying the problem to give some possible solutions, and then tracking on the patients about their daily procedures, about their feelings. So I think it's kind of adhere to the CBT framework. And another part is that we aim to provide the patient-centered approach, which means we want to use the CBT agent to make them have some self-reflection, to make them think about themselves, about the root cause, about why they are here and what they can do to reinforce. So, for example, patient Mia, she can identify patterns in her perfectionistic thoughts during creative activities. So, which is also according to her behavior in the eating disorder. And the surprising part is that it can provide some creativity as a therapy anchor. It can provide some creativity activities like drawing or painting or writing journals to counter the perfectionism